Recording in progress. Progress.
Close.
Progress.
Close. Good evening to everyone. Today I'll be presenting on a topic visual assessment in a pediatric age group. First, I'll be telling about in the age group of 0 to 3 months. It will be blink reflex test. When the bright light is shown, a normal infant would respond by blinking. Present since birth, occasionally present in decorticated infant as well. Pupillary light reflex done in semi-dark room, present in babies 29 to 31 weeks of gestation of age. Most reliable to determine the vision except in cortical blindness. Indicates intact visual pathway. Vestibulo-ocular reflex. Third nerve, fourth nerve, sixth nerve are afferent nerves in the viewer. When head is turned to left, eyes must turn to right in order to maintain the focus on specific point. Both semicircular canals are rotated in the opposite direction, which triggers the eyes to move in the opposite direction of the neck rotation. Eye popping test. When room lights are dimmed, baby's upper eyelid should pop up for a period and close its eyes when the light turns on, but will again pop its eyes when the light is dimmed, documented as positive eye popping. OPTOKINETIC NYSTAGMUS test. Nystagmus elicited by succession of black and white stripes in the help of OK and drum. Size of the drum is 10 into 8 inches. 8 to 10 RPM is the rotation of it. Response is by slow movement in the direction of drum lasting 0.2 seconds. Fast phase in the reverse direction 0.1 seconds. Visual potential is the only clinically objective method used. Records electrical brain response triggered by visual stimulus. It assesses the functional status of the visual system beyond retinal ganglion cells. Abnormal VEP indicates the problem in visual information reaching the cortex. Then next in the age group of 3 to 6 months, fixation behavior. Ability of the child to fix and follow the face of examiner. Test is done with both eyes open followed by one eye occluded by the hand. If child habitually fixates one eye, it indicates poor vision in the non-fixating eye, so it will violently resist the occlusion of better eye. Central study and maintained, done with one eye fixating on accommodative target at 40 centimeter, cover one eye, observe for the light reflex on the cornea, whether it is central or not. Look for continuous fixation of light towards the eye towards the light, steady or not. Then whether it is able to maintain the fixation on uncovering the other eye, maintained or not. Indicates, tells about the foveal fixation. Then Bruckner's red reflex, helpful in child uncooperative to the cover test to assess the small angle strabismus vision. Fixation and binocular comparison of the red reflex is done, carried out in dim light, examiner at distance to illuminate the both pupils by direct ophthalmoscope beam. It assesses the red reflex both before and after the dilatation to see how much pupillary space is obscured. Menas reflex, if vision is normal, reflex closure of the eyes on approach of the object, usually present at the age of 5 months. Then from the age of 6 to 12 years, Teller ACUITY cards is a form of preferential looking test. Here there are alternative black and white straps and homogeneous gray area. So child prefers to look at the alternative black and white straps as it is very interesting and it shows that useful vision is there. Then CATFOD drum test used in infants and children less than 2 years of age. In this test, child is made to observe the oscillating drum with black dots of varying sizes ranging from 0.5 to 15 mm. It checks the vision range between 0.66 to 2/60. Rotation of the disc at the distance of 60 centimeters evokes the pendular movement of the eye. Smallest dot which evokes the pendular movement denotes the visual acuity. Then 1 to 3 years, Cardiff visual acuity test, marble game, Sheridan ball, Worthy ivory ball, dot visual acuity, coin test, and miniature toy test. Cardiff acuity test based on resolving power of the eye or vanishing optotype. 11 sets of cards are there, 20 to 400 to 20 by 20 at distance of 0.5 and 1 meter. It is in the fish train house card pictures are there and it measures the resolving power of the eye. Marble game test, child is asked to place the marbles of various size into a hole or a box, not intended to measure the VA, but compares the functioning of the eye. Vision is denoted not useful and not useful. Sheridan ball test, based on the quality of fixation and follow response, done at the distance of 3 meters. Styrofoam balls are rolled on white or gray background. Ask the child to pick it up and note the smallest size ball. It gives the gross VA. Worthy's ivory ball test, based on the quality of fixation, balls ranging from 0.5 to 2.5 inches, rolled in front of the child at the distance of 3 meters and asked to retrieve. Smallest ball retrieves will give a gross VA. Dot visual acuity, child is shown the illuminated box with black dots of different sizes. Smallest dot identified gives the visual acuity of the child done at the distance of 25 centimeter. Visual acuity range of 0 by 640 to 6 by 240 to 6 by 6. Detection acuity test. Coin test, coins of various sizes shown to the child. Child is asked to pick up only those which she can see easily. Smallest coin picked up gives the gross VA. Then at the distance of 25 to 30 centimeters, it is a detection acuity test. Miniature toy test, child is shown a miniature toy from 10 feet and asked to pick up the matching pair toy from the near test. Smallest toy set correctly matched gives the gross visual acuity of the child. Initially designed for the handicapped and low IQ patient, recognition acuity test. Then from the age of 3 to 5 years, you can use Landolf C test to attempt the minimum separable acuity in the young children to understand the concept of break in the circle. It is done at the distance of 3, 6, 9 and 12 o'clock. Child has to tell where is the opening, target distance of 6 meter. Broken wheel test based on the direction identification, target distance 3 meter, pair of cars in progressively smaller sizes. Wheel is a cut across and child has to identify the broken wheel. It provides Snellen equivalent of 6.6 to 660. E test, useful in child 2.5 to 3 years. Child is given a cutout of E and asked to match E with the isolated E of varying sizes. Again, the E cutout and consists of different sizes of E in all 4 positions. Child is given the cutout of E and asked to point out the direction of legs of E at the distance of 6 meter. Isolated hand figure similar to E chart, but instead of E, there is fingers here. In some children, works better than E. Sheridan HOTV test in the age group of 2 to 5 years, child is handed a card with HOTV and asked to match the letters on the chart. Snellen's equivalent of 6 by 6 to 6 by 60 can be estimated using this method. Pictorial charts used are K picture, Allen card test, Leah symbols, and visual acuity and picture perception test. K picture in children above 18 months detects both near and distant vision. One element subtends 1 minute of arc angle and total figure 10 minutes of arc angle. Subjective and recognition acuity test. Leah symbol, child again given, the chart is given in the hand and instructed to indicate the pictures shown by examiner. Pictures are indicated in the distance chart from larger to smaller until child can further identify picture correctly, done at the distance of 3 meters. VA noted equivalent to Snellen's or Logmar values. Then one eye is occluded and the examiner presents the picture in sequence in Allen card test. Examiner gradually backs away from the child. Greater distance at the sequence, at least 3 pictures currently identified. Distance of 15 feet at 3 years of age and 20 feet at 4 years of age. And then pictorial chart containing apple, house, umbrella arranged in Snellen's equivalent 20 by 200 to 20 by 10. Child is asked to identify the pictures along the lines. Target distance is 3 meters. Thank you. Stop sharing.